Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to make our own very awesome, unique glitter jar. So, the first thing that you're going to need to do is get your jar ready. If you have a lid on your jar like I do, go ahead and take the lid off now and place it to the side. The next thing that you're going to need to do is get your glitter glue pen or your glitter glue or your clear glue. So for this one, I think I'm going to choose pink glitter glue. So take your glitter glue, open it up, and I want you to squeeze about 4 tablespoons of glitter glue into your jar. So I'm here, I'm squeezing the glitter glue, trying to get most of the pen into this jar if I can. Adults, there may need to be some assistance with this part, especially if you're using the pens. It can be hard to get the glue out towards the end. So I'm getting the glue into the jar. Okay, that looks just about right. Putting my glitter glue pen to the side, or my glitter glue to the side, and I'm getting the hot water. This is adults and parents. Again, this is a good time for you to come in. And I'm gonna pour the hot water into the jar with the glitter glue. Then I'm going to pick up my stir stick and I'm going to stir it around. Keep your jar on the table because it's hot now because the hot water is inside. So I'm stirring it up. I'm mixing the glue in, getting it all nice and broken down. You want to take about 30 seconds or so to mix the glue into the hot water. And then put your stir stick to the side and grab some fine glitter or chunky glitter, whatever glitter you're using today. Here we go. And you want to pour the glitter in. You want to put about 1/2 inch of glitter into your jar. And remembering that if you're using a light color and a dark color, that the dark color is going to overpower the light color. Also, one of the great things about this activity is you can't use too much glitter. So if you pour a little bit extra in, that's going to be okay. So here we go. I'm pouring a little more glitter in, trying to get to my 1/2 inch thickness here. That looks about right. I'm going to put the lid back on my glitter. Set that to the side for now. I may need more later. And then I'm going to get my cold water. And I'm going to pour the cold water in up until just before the top of the jar, leaving a little bit of space in case I need to add more glitter. I'm going to put my cold water down. I'm going to pick my stir stick back up and I'm going to stir it up. Your stir stick is going to be covered in glitter by the end of this, but that's okay. It washes right off. So stir your jar, being careful not to spill. Noticing how the colors are mixing together. And putting your stir stick to the side. Putting the lid onto your jar. And noticing what it looks like. Taking a second, touching your jar. If your jar is hot, do not pick it up, but if your jar has cooled down from the cold water like mine has, you can pick up your jar and shake it around a little bit. This really helps mix the colors in. If your jar is still hot, then just wait about 10 minutes or so until it cools down and then continue with the video. So you're mixing your jar up, getting all the glitter scattered throughout the jar, and then take a moment to look at your jar. See if there's any other colors or anything else you want to add to your jar, or if you're happy with it the way that it is. I think I want to add a little bit of purple to my jar, so I'm going to take the lid back off. I'm going to pick up my purple glitter. And I'm going to pour a little bit more in here. And then I'm going to stir it up again. Stirring it up. I'm gonna put the lid on, and as long as my jar is cooled off, I'm gonna shake it up again, checking to see how I like it now, if it's the way that I want it. And here we go. I'm pretty happy with my jar now. It looks about how I want it. So I'm gonna stop adding more glitter. I'm gonna take the lid back off, and I'm gonna take the rest of my glitter glue pen or regular glue, and I'm gonna glue around the inside of the lid. Parents, this might be a good place for you to step in here. I'm gonna glue all the way around the inside rim of my lid so that I can seal this jar tight. So just a little bit more here, a little bit more. Good, I've got that all done. I'm gonna put the lid back on the jar, and I'm gonna make sure that my jar is sealed. And here we have it. I have a completed glitter jar. Join me for the next video where we learn how the glitter jar can be used as a metaphor for your mind and body, and have some fun with it. I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.